As Europe is preparing for exit of the UK, there is an uncertainty regarding the economy that may have fueled this plummet in the British currency. Global markets have been uncertain ever since. This crash of a currency is not uncommon. It's largely the fault of doubt existing whether a country's national bank has sufficient foreign exchange reserves to maintain the country's exchange rate. In the late 1990s, it happened in Asia. In Mexico, this took place in the mid-1990s. When the financial crisis of 2008 hit, many export economies also lowered the exchange value of their currencies. In Chinese, we use bàodiē to describe this sudden drop, which means nosedive or plummet or drop sharply.